Hey guys, hope you guys are well and staying safe and truly blessed, and your families are all doing well. So, I'm going to show you today how I make my money oil, and you're going to need a few bits. Okay, so you're going to need some bay leaves, some these are orange chips. If you get like orange peel chips, that's good. If you get some allspice, some star anise, some clove. This is rosemary and basil or basil. Just got some gems there, clear gems. Something that holds the energy of money. It could be play money or anything like that. Use real money if you want, but play money, is fine. Some catnip, a little bit of green glitter, and some cinnamon. I've got some green dye here, and I've got some money powder that I make. I'll put some of that in, and just a few chips here. We've got some crystal chips, just venturine and citrine that's there. So I've cleaned my bottle already. So you're gonna need a bottle. This is a 50 ml one, and this is my that I always use, my holy oil with John the Conqueror root oil. Right, so now we're gonna start adding our ingredients. We're gonna add in let's put in the gems. Right, so that is just citron and venturine I'm using there. Some bay leaves. You can just break them up. If you've got the fresh ones, that's really good to use. The bay leaves, you can get them anywhere. Amazon sells absolutely everything. Okay, so put in your bay leaves. You could put in as much or as little as you want. Okay, we're going to put in some of these, of this herb, rosemary and basil. Okay. Right, and then we're going to put in Jupiter berries. So we're going to continue to put in our allspice. We'll put in about 5 pieces, that should be alright. Clove, again, 5 pieces of clove. And a piece of star anise. Right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the catnip. Catnip is good because catnip attracts. And you want every time you use this oil, for it to attract money. Some catnip in there. Okay, a little bit of glitter, a little bit of green glitter, some cinnamon powder, This is some money powder that I make. And some orange peel chips. Dropped in my clear gems. Again, it's just to hold whatever shows the energy of money and wealth. Okay. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add my oil. Again, this is my holy oil mixed with John the Conqueror root oil. You can use olive oil, you can use grapeseed oil. Again, you could just use your money, fake money, real money, doesn't matter. We'll put that in. And we're gonna put in a scent. Okay, you could put anything. Orange is good. Apple is good. Right, so you're gonna put your orange or apple scent in there. I'm gonna put a drop of then you're gonna put in a little bit of dye, just one drop. Okay, and then that's how you get your money oil. So now what I'm going to do with this oil, I'm going to go right back out and I'm going to bury it in the earth for another 2 weeks. And what I'm going to do is give this oil away totally free. So whoever wants this oil, just put your name in the comments below and I will choose a name at random and send this out to you. So how it's going to work is that you leave your name, I'll choose a random name, then I'll come back on and say who I've chosen or who's been picked, and you will keep in contact and pass your address details and so on. Okay, so yeah, so that's how you make money oil, and you use it on yourself, you can use it on candles, you can use it in your bath, you can use it on your money when you're spending your money. You could rub it on your wallet. Okay, anywhere you want to draw money, you use this oil. Okay, so there you go. So I hope this has helped somebody. Until next time, keep good and I will speak to you soon. Bye.